We'll bring it back, the heat wave, the summer sun. Feel it on our skin and the warmth is comforting. So let's just pour another drink. Now all I feel so unreasonable. Teach back so much for some meal. And we turn it down, like the soul searching again. Floating from the states of what are we likely to find?
Hey, what's up guys? I hope you enjoyed that little Flatground session I had the other day when it was raining. I really enjoy Flatground skateboarding, and I'm constantly trying to learn or create different variations of tricks. So if you guys would like to see more of these weird and crazy Flatground videos like this one, then smash the like button and tell me in the comments below that you enjoy these videos and would like to see more. And if you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button right there and help my YouTube channel grow and be a part of it too. Thanks again for watching guys, and until next time, peace.